aspirants, you must have wondered if students are able to crack the civil services examination in their first attempt. Well, yes. Students of ForumIAS have cracked UPSC in the same year of doing the foundation course, because it's not just about studying, it's about strategy, dedication and guidance that goes beyond the ordinary classroom. But what does it exactly take to crack UPSC in first attempt? You need to get multiple things right: building foundational and value-added knowledge, aptitude to solve prelims questions, hone answer writing skills, and finally, right guidance all along your preparation journey. And doing this on your own can feel like an impossible task. Traditional courses often stop at classes and leave you to tackle the rest. Until now. Welcome to ForumIAS, where we will help you in taking an attempt that is well prepared with a good chance at success with GSFP 2026, the one-stop solution for all your needs to crack civil services examination. This one-year intensive foundation course is designed for both online and offline learners. It takes a whole new approach to civil services preparation. It's not just about knowledge. It's about transforming that knowledge into success. Think about it. With ForumIAS's GSFP, you are getting 700 plus hours of general studies classes, 160 plus hours of current affairs, practice of more than 8,000 MCQs, 1,000 plus answers for mains, more than 50 essays, and infinite hours of mentorship and personalized feedback. This course is your 360-degree roadmap to success. Worried about study materials? We have got you covered. From our exclusive ForumIAS Red Books to the Prelims Toolkit and the monthly current affairs magazines, you'll have everything you need right from the day you start. Still not sure? Let me ask you this. Do you want to tackle this exam on your own, facing uncertainties and delays? Or do you want a team of dedicated mentors, proven methods, and unlimited support to guide you all the way in your journey? At ForumIAS, we believe the right guidance can make all the difference. The GSFP 2026 program is more than just a course. It's a year-long journey to your dream, designed to make your very first attempt count. Join ForumIAS, where we build officers.